Alrighty, Derek here, 582 Big Block Chevrolet, Marine Airboat usage. Give you a description of this combination. Got a center bar ass cast heads, Edelbrock manifold, custom grind hydraulic roller, and we've got the custom built Stefs fans, Airboat specific, quick fuel carburetor, API distributor for you. Got the front end on it, make sure it alternator functions. Go in there, make a run, see if she does. Stay tuned. Okie 3,300 or 732 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 749, really good number there, good flat. Peak horsepower 697, so everything's good. What we'll do is pull the pipes back, make sure the exhaust is good and clean. Show you a couple of things here. When you receive your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, it's a USB card full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look things up. Flip it over, got a QR code, that'll take some more tech stuff. Have a great day.